Hi there! In this video we will be looking at spotting synonyms with the help of Vocabulary Victor. Vocabulary Victor is the clever canine who can help us give or explain the meanings of words in context. Synonyms are words that have the same or similar meaning to one another. Let's take a look at some synonyms for fast. Speedy, quick, nimble, brisk, rapid, and swift all have a similar meaning to the word fast. Sometimes you might be asked to find words in the text that are similar in meaning. Vocabulary Victor can help you with this. Listen to the start of this letter to Igor from his parents. Dearest son, we, your parents, are writing this letter to implore you to clear the mess that has become your bedroom. Ordinarily, this would not have become such an issue, but a series of recent events have led us to this point. Firstly, we are becoming increasingly concerned for the welfare of your carpet. Rumours are circulating that it's actually left your room and has travelled to a different house. Until you remove the heaps of dirty clothes and disused toys, revealing the floor below, we will be unable to confirm or deny these claims. When looking for synonyms in a text, you need to find one word that can be replaced with a new word. The sentence should still make sense and have the same meaning. For example, if we are looking for a synonym of the word beg in this text, we would say the word implore. We, your parents, are writing this letter to beg you to clear the mess has the same meaning as we, your parents, are writing this letter to implore you to clear the mess. Can you spot a synonym for the word worried in the same extract? That's right, the word concerned can replace the word worried in the sentence because they both have the same meaning. Let's take a look at some questions on spotting synonyms. Remember, if you're finding it tricky to find a synonym in a text, think about the definition of the word and where that might fit in the text. For our first question, you're being asked to tick the synonym that best matches the word regain in the new extract of text. You'll need to find the word regain in the text and then choose the word that can replace it without changing the meaning of the sentence. What does the word regain mean in this sentence? Lose, recover, reposition, stop. Pause your video now and hit play again when you've read the extract and have an answer. Do you have an answer? Great. Which word can replace regain in the extract? Well done if you said recover. The word recover is the only option that can replace the word regain in the sentence and still keep the same meaning. Although the word reposition is similar, it means to change positions rather than recover a position, so it's not similar enough in meaning. For our next question, you were being asked to find and copy one word from the paragraph which is closest in meaning to the word safe. You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you may wish to say it out loud. Remember, you only need to write one word as your answer. If you would like time to read through the extract again, pause your video now and hit play when you have an answer. Let's take a look at the answer. You've been asked to find a synonym for the word safe in the text. Which sentence is talking about being safe? Well done if you said secure. Having to stretch to find a secure foothold and having to stretch to find a safe foothold both have similar meanings. For our final question, you are being asked to find and copy one word from the new extract that means the same as large. You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you may wish to say it out loud. Pause your video now and read through the extract. Hit play again when you have an answer. Do you have an answer? Great. Which word is a synonym for large? Well done if you said spacious. Excellent work. I hope this video has helped you to spot synonyms in text. If you still need more reading help, we have lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.